All right. Hello to everyone here once again. All right, on a real quick, I'm here to explain to you what happened in the market today. So, yesterday I talked about odd NZD, and I even explained how you can be trading one currency pair for the whole year and be capitalizing, knowing your losses and knowing your profits, keeping the game simple. So now I'm here to explain. Yesterday I had this trade and I was in for I was just in as a positional traded. So this is what happened because I thought sometimes the market you will not understand what happens. We are not the manipulators, so whatever can happen. A news came in and everything started changing. So I closed my profits. I closed my profit. Immediately I saw this breakout of this resistance, right? I closed my profit and I decided not to enter here. I was just waiting. So when it came, it just break and now it has retested again because this shows you that this zone is valid. It's not because my analysis was wrong. So if you can see, it has retested how many times? Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes and check how many times it has retested. Immediately it break the zone or the level. It came to retest here, right, and went all the way up, and it has come again the second time. So now we can still capitalize here to make money here. So this means that my zones are always valid. You understand? So the banks knows why they came here, right? They know why they came here. This means that they not fail here just because it's a wrong zone, right? It's a right zone. That's why they are interested at that level again. So this is for the odd NZD. So now let's go to CAD CHF. I've made a profit on CAD CHF. So let's go to CAD CHF to see what is happening on the CAD CHF. I've opened a whole lot of pairs and I don't know. One thing I'll be telling you guys is if you want to be a good trader, just marry the chart. You understand? Marry the chart. Always keep um, your eyes closer to the or close to the chart. So now, as you can see on the card CHF, we had this resistance zone, right? Support zone, right? And there is a little resistance here. So when the price came to retest, it went up and came again. So immediately it went here. I also took a trade here. I made a profit there. Today I took a trade here because I knew as it's coming here, there is also a support here and there's a whole lot of support here. So I knew, okay, the banks will be very interested here. So they came here, I capitalized and also made money from here. So when it came here and it started moving, immediately it started moving. I saw this. Immediately it started moving. I saw this. I saw I saw this candle, this I would say inside bar, right? Candle. So immediately this inside bar candle formed, right, and closed. I entered here. I entered the market from here. And now, as you can see, I've made my profit and I'm out. So making money in the market is simple but not easy. You understand? You have to keep on practicing, right? So I made 60 pips, right? One is to three. So imagine if I'm risking even $100, I've made $300, $340 just today, right? If you are risking $1,000, you are making $3,000 just today. So let me check on the another trade I took. Okay, I think or is it I don't know. I've taken a lot of trades. Is it okay? Or JPY. I do. This is the reason why I get confused. I've done I always do set and forget. You understand? Set and set and forget. You understand me? That's my trading style. So for here, I saw this also support, right? So when the price came here to this support, right? And they also I saw demand a lot of demand zones, right? So as you can see, we also had a double button and we are all the way up as you are watching now. And it's a live trade. You can even watch the chart now to see. So as you can see, we made this whole move and we are heading all the way to the profit zone. And I'm going to take my profit, which is 95 pips, 95 pips, 95.7 pips. I'm making also 3.6 uh, reward ratio. My stop loss was 26.5, which is not bad, right? So this is how we keep the game simple. Also, let's check about a different one. Let's check about USD JPY. I think let me see for the CHF JPY. CHF JPY. Yeah. So this is for the CHF JPY. Let me explain this trade also. So as looking at this trade, we had uh, or I had a resistance a resistance broken, right, which became a support level, right. The same time became a support. It's a resistance though. So immediately it got broken all the way down here. I knew the banks would be very interested. They came here, try to, last time what I was talking, I was explaining to you guys about how to set your stop loss and all that. So I knew what the banks are going to do here. When they came here, they start spiking up, spiking, right? They started spiking. They want to kick the retail traders out before they start moving all the way down. So as you can see, they came here, they came here, formed this rejection, came all the way down, came again, formed a double top, came like they are breaking the structure. Um they try to play smart here. They act like they have broken this structure. They entered and came again. When they came, they also spike, came, formed double button again, double top again, came again. So immediate. Imagine if you are let's say if you are a greedy trader, right? You think, oh, that's a nice zone, so let me just set a little small stop loss. Imagine how many times you'll be kicked out. So you get tired, you'll be angry, you leave the market. The next day when you come, you see this whole move, and you'll be like, damn, what happened? Look, because you don't know how the bank trade, you don't know the behavior of the banks. I know the behavior of them, I know how they move the market, right? Let's also check about USD JPY. And this is 410 pips. Can you see? 410 pips. Imagine how good this trade is. Yeah. So that's it. So USD JPY also, as you can see on USD JPY, as you can see on USD JPY, I saw this. There is a support here, right? So there is a zone also here, demand zone. There is a support again. So when they came all the way to hit, they give a rejection candle, which is a hammer, right? Or I will say, yeah, a hammer. They also give a double button. They are heading all the way. But this trade, I don't know what is going to happen here. I can see when this structure gets broken, I have to get out immediately. Right, this structure. I'm waiting to see what is going to happen when this whole trend, right, when it breaks like this. I will see what is going to happen when it breaks like this. I will leave the market and watch the reaction. What is going to happen here, right? What is going to happen here? So when the structure gets broken, that's what I'm going to do. So after this, they will move all the way. When they break this level to this resistance also, when they break this resistance, then we are all the way going all the way up here. So for that's what I'm expecting on this trade. Also, let's check on um, GBP USD. Also, I've taken a trade on GBP. Is it on GBP USD or yeah? So GBP USD also will come to AUD USD to see exactly what is happening. So GBP USD also, this is what is happening on GBP USD. GBP USD also, I'm on a swing trade, right? Looking from the higher time frame perspective, we can see this whole structure, this whole trend is broken. This is I would say a yearly trend, right? This whole trend has got broken, right? They retested a support here, moved all the way down, right? So after they have returned, right? They have returned all the way, coming to form a new structure to move all the way down. So someone will say, oh, what about this one? Fine. This one is a minor structure, right? This one is this. Looking at this one, you can see this one because I where is the box? Yes. So as you can see, there is a whole lot of demand zones, supply zones, broken demand zones and supply zones, right? So when the banks entered, they try to break this level. But for this trade, I don't know what exactly is going to happen. I don't trust it though, but I'm in. So we are all trading. We don't know what's happening, going to happen next, but I'm just in. So let's see what is going to happen, if it's going to move down or not. Let's just watch. I'll give you an update on it on this. All right, let's just see what is going to happen. Yeah. So for day trading also, uh, I'm waiting here for it to hit this resistance. Then I'll see what I can do, right? So let's also check on the odd USD. So odd USD also, excuse me, yeah, odd USD also. This is clear, right? This is clear. You don't need to even explain. I caught this, I think last week I even explained about this one, how I caught this one. So you can see, mm, odd USD is here. There's also a demand. It's also a demand zone. So as you can see, when they entered, they tried to move up, spiking up. So I saw this move. I entered. Let me show you how I entered. Immediately they came here, did whatever they want to do, right? They started moving. I was late though. That's why my entry looks like this. So when they came all the way down here. I saw this candlestick, right? Candlestick. And also I saw this move to the candlestick. This inside bar. I saw this inside bar. They came to retest the inside bar, and then I was like, oh, let me just take an advantage, right? They came to retest the inside bar. It's a retest. It came to retest, moved up. So as I saw this closed as a doji, right? And then I set all the way up, and I'm just waiting to see what is going to happen. So this is what I'm expecting on all USD, right? Where is it? So this is what I'm expecting on all USD. This comes here, maybe like this, breaks, retest, right? Retest that raise, then we are in, we kick the profit all the way out. So that is what I'm expecting on odd USD. So let's also check on odd CHF. What also happened? All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like also, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment also. Did I explain? Talked okay? I talked about card CHF. So yes, all CHF. This is what happened, right? Came all the way down. We had a double button, right? You break it, retested, break again, retested. So at this retest, right, I entered here, set my stop loss all the way down here, and look at the move, all the way up, right? So I'm just waiting for a retest again on this support level. I'm just, because I've taken my profit. As you can see, my profit was 63.1 pip, 2 is to 0.79 risk to reward ratio. So my stop loss was 22.6. It's not a bad trade. So I'm waiting for a retest on this level. Then I'll enter again. I'll see what is going to happen. The reaction. The reaction is very important. Just focus when it comes to your zone, focus on the reaction, right? The reaction has to tell you what to do and what not to do, right? So that's it for the day. Let's see what I have for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm expecting some trade. So guys, as you can see, my time is up. Don't forget to share. First, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share, like, and also, yeah, that's it. So expect a new video tomorrow. All right. Thanks and bye bye to you all.